Detailed steps to install PostgreSQL and pgAdmin on macOS. The PostgreSQL installer also includes pgAdmin, so we can install both together. Open a web browser and search for PostgreSQL. Open the official PostgreSQL website. From the PostgreSQL website, go to the download section. Click on macOS. Under the Interactive Installer by EDB, click Download the installer. This takes us to the PostgreSQL installer download page. Download the latest stable version available for macOS. In this video, we are installing PostgreSQL version 18.6. Once the download is complete, open the downloaded file. Inside the downloaded disk image, open the PostgreSQL installer. macOS may ask for your computer password before allowing the installer to make changes. Enter your Mac password and continue. The PostgreSQL setup wizard opens. Click Next. For the installation directory, we can keep the default location. Click Next. Now we can choose the components to install. The installer includes the PostgreSQL server, pgAdmin, stack builder, and command line tools. We can simply leave the default component selected. Click Next. Next, we can choose where PostgreSQL will store its database files. Keep the default data directory and click Next. Now we need to create a password for the PostgreSQL database superuser. The default superuser is named Postgres. Enter a password and confirm it. Make sure you remember this password because we will need it when connecting to PostgreSQL from pgAdmin. Click Next. PostgreSQL now asks for the port number. The default port is 5432. We can keep this value and click Next. For the locale, keep the default locale selected. Click Next. The installer now shows a summary of the settings we selected. Click Next. PostgreSQL is ready to be installed. Click Next again to begin the installation. The installation may take a little time. Once it is complete, click Finish. After the installation, Stack Builder may open automatically. Stack Builder can be used to install additional PostgreSQL tools and extensions. We do not need any of them for this beginner SQL course, so click Cancel. When it asks whether we want to exit the Stack Builder wizard, click Yes. Now PostgreSQL and pgAdmin are installed. Open Spotlight Search and search for pgAdmin 4. Open the application. pgAdmin may take a few seconds to start for the first time. Once it opens, we can see the PostgreSQL server in the browser panel on the left. Expand the PostgreSQL server. pgAdmin asks for the password we created during the PostgreSQL installation. Enter that password. You can keep Save Password selected so that you do not have to enter it every time. Click OK. We are now connected to our local PostgreSQL server. Under the PostgreSQL server, expand databases. We can see the default Postgres database. Right-click the Postgres database and select Query tool. To make sure everything is working, enter the query, select version. Click the Execute button. The result appears in the data output section. We can see the installed PostgreSQL version, which confirms that PostgreSQL is running correctly and pgAdmin is connected to it. Our PostgreSQL and pgAdmin setup is now complete. If you have successfully installed the PostgreSQL and pgAdmin, please like the video and subscribe to our channel for PostgreSQL videos and SQL tutorials.